Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Damie Alabi, aka you already know who it is. Anyway guys, this is a very quick video. I actually didn't plan to do this video, but I just got back from the market and I thought, you know, since baby girl is trying to be healthy, baby girl is trying to lose some weight, how about she comes and shows you what she got from the market. So I quickly shower because, you know, koro is not something you joke with. Like I said, I went to the market, came back from the market, had my bath and all of that. I even washed my hair, though I don't think I'm paranoid, but I washed my hair anyway. And I thought, let me quickly come and show you guys some of the things that I bought as regards losing weight, eating healthy and doing the keto diet. I went to 3 different markets actually. Actually went to the Ofada market for the first time. Ofada is not actually far from where I stay, so went there where I got the chicken. Of course I don't have chicken to show you right now. It's in my vlog. If you want to see the chicken, go to the vlog, you will see the chicken there. I've washed it, cleaned it, it's in the freezer, and it's going to go through a lot of, you know, process, and which I will show you guys later on. Without further ado, let me show you some of the things that I got from the market in relation to the keto diet. This is not everything though. I didn't go to the market, guys. I didn't go to the market with a basket. Wrap along, I want TMI. But you know, when I got everything, I was like, let me just put it in the basket and bring it to my room to record before I take it back to the kitchen. There's no raw food here, so I'm safe. Let's go. I'm going to like give you the prices. Yeah. So the first item that I got is bama. Yeah, they used to put the hand at the back like this. Maybe the thing will focus better. Yeah. So I got the focus on me. Thank you. So I got the bama mayonnaise. It says bama. It's basically mayonnaise, but you know, I'm trying to make it look like something. So it says here, it says bama real mayonnaise with a dash of lemon. Yeah, I also got lemon. I'll show you guys. So yeah, they say that this is the one that's actually keto compliant. If you get other brands on the group, there are different groups, Nigerian group, abroad group, they tell you that it's best to buy the bama mayonnaise. I'm even trying to look for the nutritional. There's no nutritional anything. Oh, okay, it's there. It's just that they just put the ingredients. They don't put like breakdown of the ingredients. So bama was 900 naira. I don't know if the price is different in your area. This is the medium size. I think the small one was 700 naira and the big one was 1,600 naira. And then baby girl is still starting. Also, the next thing I got is irekiti. I don't know. I actually really like iru. So I actually really like iru. In fact, I eat it raw. I can snack on iru. I even eat it sometimes before I put it in the soup because I don't know. It's not like it's all that sweet. It's just something I like. I got this for 215. I bought cucumber. I actually got 4. But I have to hold it all up. It's there, sha. So I bought 4. The 4 of them actually. I bought the 4 of them for 4. No, not for 400. For 300. It's 4. My hand cannot contain everything. So I bought I bought 4. I bought 4 cucumbers. 4. I think they are fairly large. 4 cucumbers for 300 naira. I got 4 cucumbers for 300 naira. I'm going to be using one for like the slimming tea water. It's not all of them are not cucumber. There's zucchini there. Yeah, I remember. Yeah, this one is zucchini. Apparently Aboki does not know the difference between cucumber and zucchini. They look alike, but like how I actually know the difference is when I touch it. That's when I know the difference. So I'm going to be making porridge. Oh my goodness, I love that porridge. Cucumber porridge is delicious. So I'm going to be making it, and I prefer to use zucchini for that because, you know, it doesn't have seeds, so I can get a lot from it. If I'm using cucumber, I'm going to have to take out the seeds, and maybe until I find something to do with the seeds, so I can just use zucchini. So I bought zucchini and cucumber. 300 naira. I bought mint leaf, which smells like toothpaste. I bought mint leaf. I bought this one cost me 100 naira. My friend Henry, who I met back in Jos, made me this delicious tea. If you know me, I don't drink tea unless I'm really sick. So if you see my previous vlog where I said I wasn't feeling well and I drank tea, I had ginger in that tea and mint leaf and a little bit of honey. I don't like honey, but in the tea it tasted nice. So I remember that Henry had made tea one time like that tasted really, really nice. So mint leaf, I'll be using it for the tea. I'm going to be trying the tea probably tomorrow. If I really like it, then guess what, your girl is about to be drinking tea. One thing I find in ready-made tea is I don't know what it is, especially all this green tea. It makes me feel one kind, which is why I don't like it. But this ginger tea doesn't give me that. Maybe it's something in the ingredients that I'm reacting to, because whenever I drink like normal green tea, I'm always like, I want to puke. But you know, this ginger tea wasn't so bad, and I'm just beginning to actually like ginger. I didn't take ginger before. I mean, people change, right? So yeah, mint leaf for 100 naira. I've already digressed and told this story that no matter. So that's the cucumber and the mint leaf. Next thing that is also very keto compliant that I got is lemon. I think I bought 4. I think it's 4, I'm not sure. So we got this for 250. Yeah, 4 for 250 or 300. I think it was 300 because the first guy was going to sell it for 100 naira. So that was my mom and I, because we went to the market together. So we just shakara and left, and then we found somebody else that sold it for us at a cheaper price. So this is going to be for chicken. I've seen some chicken recipes where they use lemon, like, and then of course for the water that we all know that we drink on keto diet, the detox water. Even though I've come to learn from many researchers that you can't actually detox your body because you have organs that are dedicated to do that, but we will drink the water anyway. Everything is faith. That's why you drink anointing oil. Is faith. If I use faith to drink this water, and if flat tummy to get faith. Next is panda. Let me report my brother to you. See my panda that I just bought. As I bought it and put it in the kitchen, you have tasted it. When it's not a rat. After that, Dara see me to brought her teeth for his well. Anyway, so I got panda for 400 naira. Yeah, actually 6 pieces of them. No, that's the price. So I got 6 of them for 400 naira. I'm going to be using this for the vegetable soup. I'm also going to be using it for the seafood okra pepper soup, and also for the cabbage swallow, for the cucumber porridge. You guys, cucumber porridge, yeah. If you try it, you will lick your hand. Forget it. You will say that no way. Alright, here I have ugu. I bought this for I bought this for 100 naira. I'm going to be using this for the vegetable and also for some other things that you see when I do like cook with me videos or meal prep videos and all of that. So ugu, of course we all know ugu is really, really healthy. You can eat this alone as a vegetable, or you can combine it with like a foriro or the okra pepper soup and all of that and make it something delish. Right, oh okay, yeah, this is my snack. So I was like, when I've tried to lose weight around, and I've gone on keto diet, failed. So along the way I found tiger nuts, and tiger nuts apparently is super healthy. Didn't know that, because I mean I was not brought up with it, so like why will I eat it? And they used to beg me in Joe, so that taste this thing. While like I was thinking kilele. So that yeah, what you do. I'll translate that. I'm trying to open the nylon of the tiger nut so you guys can see. Yeah, so I'm actually used to the wet one. That's the one I usually buy, the one that is like light yellow that they would have poured water on it. But I bought the, how will I show you now? You know all those adverts where there's like a woman picking something from the floor, maybe like shea butter. My auntie has a shea butter company. I'm speaking for her because she speaks for them. My auntie has a shea butter. My auntie and my uncle actually have my uncle and his wife, who is my auntie, they have a shea butter company called She Radiance, and they have this picture on their website. It just reminds me of that, and also on their Instagram where there are women picking shea. So it's like, so the woman is like this, like I not you but it's something like this. Anyway, so I got tiger nuts. Anyway, if you're in the US, you guys check out She Radiance. I want to get like a jar to put this inside. So tiger nuts, this lot for 200 naira. I got stockfish. This one I bought from Owambe market. I got stockfish. I've forgotten how much I got fish because my mind was not there. I think 3 for 500. I'm not too sure, or 300 naira. So stockfish. So this will go stockfish. Focus on the fish. Alright. So the stockfish will go in the seafood okra pepper soup, because I mean stockfish, fish, seafood, you guys get. Then I'll use a little bit of it in the ugu soup that I want to prepare as well. I bought a lot too, from the bottom of my heart to you. This is scent leaf. In Yoruba we call it efirin. So this is efirin. I bought this to go with my, which of my soups? My seafood okra pepper soup, and also some other things that I'll prepare as well. So I just wanted to show you guys. I bought this for 100 naira. Fun fact is, we used to have this efirin thing in our compound, and I'm like, what happened? Is it 100 naira anymore? So we're going to have to grow it back, because like, I don't am buying efirin in the market. Like, what is that? Efirin. Ooh, okay. For my keto people, I have to explain. This is not keto compliant in any way. But I bought this pineapple for zobo. Zobo is the only drink that is actually keto compliant, and because I used to drink a lot of fizzy drinks, it's just advisable that when you are switching from a high carb diet to a low carb diet, you find alternatives. So if I should go like completely, if I should blank out completely on some of the things I used to eat, I'll fall quickly. So I'm still padding myself small until I can find an alternative that is keto compliant. My mom was suggesting coconuts, but I cannot imagine coconut flavored zobo. What's that? Why? I may just try it eventually, but for now, pineapple. And I won't be using a lot, just a little, just for flavor, not for taste or anything, for flavor. This is crayfish. Of course, I'm going to be preparing soup, so crayfish, very needed. This was Afederica for 400 naira. Crayfish is compliant, it's fish, seafood. I mean, it's good for the body. So I bought zobo leaves. They call it something in English, I don't remember. Zobo leaves. I got this for 200 naira. Like I said, zobo is the only. Let me show you what it looks like for people that don't know what zobo leaf looks like. If I should do that thing now, you could say my own is too much. Let me put it aside there. So, zobo, in case you don't focus on the zobo with the camera, I don't want it to pour away. So, yeah, it looks like the color of zobo. I've been loving ginger quite a bit lately. Like I said, ginger tea. I'm also going to be using it for the zobo. So I bought ginger. I think this was 100 naira. All of this was for 100 naira. I bought garlic. All these things are compliant on the keto diet, and also I'm going to be using this garlic for the cucumber porridge. You guys, it's like I'm hyping this porridge, but the porridge also is sweet. It's sweet to be really. Cucumber porridge, garlic, cucumber porridge is the first time actually putting garlic in. Like I didn't used to eat any of these things before as spice as anything, because I mean I didn't grow up eating it. But like when I saw the recipe for the cucumber porridge, I was like, okay, let me just try and put the garlic. I put the garlic by. Oh my god. As I'm licking my finger. Maybe I'm just a very good cook. For the zobo, I bought cloves. Do you know I didn't know that this thing actually existed in Nigeria? Like I'll show you guys. So I'm going to be using this for the pepper soup. I'm going to be using this for the zobo and also for the ginger tea that I talked about, because it's compliant and it's good for the body. Another thing that I really love to have on the keto diet is pepper soup. I'm going to go and learn how to make the spice from scratch, but I bought the pepper soup spice. This cost me 300 naira. Thinking about it now, I spent a lot of money. Alright, next is trusty cabbage. Like, what is your keto journey without cabbage? Like, why did I buy mayonnaise? Like, will I be leaking mayonnaise last time? In my previous vlog, I did keto swallow. Oh my goodness, you guys, you should try keto swallow. Am I peanuts? It's basic. It's not basic, but like it's the best thing to happen to the keto diet, because when you're transitioning, you know, you eat things like pounded yam, amala, semo, wheat, eba, you know, fufu, and then you have to transition into the keto diet. You won't be able to eat those things anymore, so you have to find alternatives. Cabbage swallow is really nice, a really good alternative. It's very filling, and I mean, it is basically just vegetable, so why not? So I got three medium-sized cabbages. I got cabbage 3 medium-sized for 1,000 naira. Stupidly expensive, but I mean, I blame it on the lockdown currently going on. Alright people, thank you so much for watching this video. If you've watched till the end, I am super grateful. If you want to follow my keto journey, then of course come back to the channel. I'm hyping some of my favorite foods like the cucumber porridge, cabbage swallow, seafood okra pepper soup. If you want to see, I'm going to be using all these items in actual meals, and come back to the channel for food videos on, of course, me making food with all the things that I got. If you also want to see the journey on this new lifestyle, follow me on Instagram at damiesdiary. Check out my Facebook page, Damie's Diary, Twitter, you know what it is, Damie's Diary. And then yeah, thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions regarding any of the things that I bought, or you want to even advise me generally, that's another thing that you bought is like, of course, I'm open to suggestions. Drop the comments down below. And also there are some other things that I didn't get, like pepper, vegetable, even the okra that I'm making out about seafood okra. I didn't get it because they are accessible to me in my area, so I don't have to go to the market to get these other things like pepper, okra, even fish. The reason why I bought chicken is because chicken is in Ofada and I don't stay in Ofada, even though it's close to me. So if I should mistakenly say I'm going to Ofada last time, Soja will carry me, and I don't want Soja to carry me. So today that I can go out and Soja will not carry me, I decided to go get chicken. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.